Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can show your available coupons at the checkout page. So we are using a coupon block for this to be customized. So I will show you how you can create this in your store. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I'm using Checkout extension Ninja app. I have downloaded this from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I will be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. A quick reminder that this type of customization is available only for the Shopify Plus members. So after your installation, go to the admin panel and click on block section. There are some browse templates option is there. So there are some templates we have created here. So what happens is we can just use this pre-filled data as the default template. So just on clicking use templates, we can see the everything has been filled up, the block name and all, and clicking on coupon list you can see that there are three coupons we have created here. Like one is the welcome 15 free ship and save 10 with the coupon codes. So you can just re-edit this or you can just edit this to use text and descriptions code and all, so that you can just easily create this available coupon codes at the checkout page. So this is a time saver one, so you can just use this templates as such. And if you have any additional coupon to add, then you can just click on add new coupon. Otherwise just close it. We are using 3 for now, so just click on done and make sure that the status is active and just go for saving it. And after saving you will be getting some block id like this. So just click on this to copy this and open checkout editor page. So we have to add the custom block to the checkout like this, and we have to paste our block id which we have copied earlier to this field. Now you can see the available coupon code with the pre-filled details has been created here. So the best place to have this block is the order summary page, right? So let's do drag this to somewhere else. Yeah, you can see the block has been replaced to this order summary section. Now let's save it. Okay, now let's try this or let's test this up in our checkout page in the store. Yeah, so you can see that the coupon list code has been created successfully like this. So by using the template, you can actually save the time. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in our online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.